Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Okay, subscribe if you have not, and if you have not subscribed, what are you even waiting for? Subscribe for more tips on how to learn practical business skill. Okay, at the comfort of your home. So in today's video, I'm not going to rush. Let's settle down and talk. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how much capital you really need to start laundry bar soap business. Like how much money do you need before you can go into soap business? Oh, do you know why I'm making this video? Okay. One of my students shouted me up and she was like, Ma'am, how much do I need before I can start laundry bar soap business? After I learn all of these things, am I going to like have at least like 500,000, 200,000, 300,000 to start? I laugh. Like 300,000 to start a laundry bar soap business. Okay, in this video, that is what I'm here to talk about. We are going to discuss it. Okay, if you think you need a lot of money to start laundry bar soap business, let me tell you the truth in this video. Today I will show you how much capital you really need to start laundry bar soap business, especially, underline that word, especially if you are a beginner. As a beginner, you don't need 2 million, you don't need 1 million, you don't need too much capital, too much money to start a laundry bar soap business. You understand? There are some few things, basic things, important things that you need before you can start soap business. You understand? You don't just buy everything at once and you say you want to go into laundry bar soap business. No, now. As a beginner, there are basic things you need to start laundry bar soap business. You only need a few basic things, which are your raw material, like your caustic soda, your PKO or bleach palm oil, all those raw material, your mixing container like the way you are seeing on your screen, your molds and your packaging material. These are the things you need, the basic, the most important thing you need as a beginner. You understand? You don't need to buy everything. Okay? You don't need to buy everything at once. With small capital, you can start small. Test your market. As you do that, you grow gradually. What matter is not how big you start, but how smart you started it. Understand? You don't need money like that. You don't need everything. You don't need too much to start. Like now, this raw material, you go into the market with at least 5,000, you can be able to get raw material as a beginner to even test if you even know how to do this thing. Container like this one I'm using, with 700 naira, you don't get container. Like now, yes, your molds and your packaging material, that is what you need as a beginner. You don't need everything because you need to practice this soap of a thing. You don't just rush into it like that. So go and watch some of my video if really you want to learn practical business skill, okay, like soap making like this. You see it at the down of my video. Go there and watch it and subscribe for more video. If you want to learn practical business skill like this one, subscribe to Lamzy Space and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.